Hi, this is Alex from Pandectes. If you're selling to the European Union or the UK, a strict policy is mandatory. What does strict policy mean? It basically means that all cookies are blocked prior to consent. For the rest of the world, where policies regarding privacy are more loose, there is a loose policy in our banner, which lets all cookies fire by default unless the user declines. If you are both selling to the EU and outside of the EU, and you would like to get optimal analytics performance, the Pandectes GDPR compliance app has a feature just for you. It is called the strict loose policy, which is the best of both worlds. When a user visits from the EU or the UK, a strict policy applies to them. For all users outside of EU and the UK, a loose policy applies. To enable it, you can go to Settings, Banner, under Preferences, select a strict loose policy and click Save. Now you can be compliant in all the regions that you sell without compromising analytics performance. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, don't hesitate to contact our support team.